Hey there, jewelry designers. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 essential tips for working smarter in Matrix Gold. These simple habits can save you time, avoid frustration, and make your design process way more efficient. Let's get started. Always save your work throughout the design process. Matrix Gold can sometimes crash unexpectedly, and losing hours of work is the last thing you want. Use version saves like ring_v1, ring_v2, and so on, so you always have a backup to go back to. Use layers to keep your design clean and organized. Separate gemstones, guides, shanks, and settings into different layers. This makes it easier to isolate, hide, or adjust elements at any stage of the process, especially when rendering or exporting your file. Whenever possible, build your models with History or Smart Flow. This gives you the power to go back and edit dimensions or forms without starting from scratch. It's a huge time saver, especially for personalized or repeat designs.